Welcome to the future. In today's video, we're showcasing the 5 must-have AI-powered home robots that will be essential in 2025. These innovative devices are here to help with everything from chores to companionship. Tune in to see which robots you'll want to add to your home. Number 1.
Hi! Hi, Copper. Hi, Bolly.
Hey, Bolly. Follow me to the study. I gotta make a video call. Oh, hi, Pedro.
Termina de trabajar y que descanses. Muchas gracias por tu esfuerzo y tu...
Hey, Bolly. Let's work out.
Today is upper body day.
Great. Start now. 7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10. Connect.
Hey, Amy.
Can I call you back soon?
Sure.
Here is today's exercise result.
Could you call Will?
Okay.
Hey, Bolly. We're going to bed now.
Bring home your new companion. Bali.
Number 2. Number 3.
Hi, Bixby. Start robot vacuum.
Number 4.
I'm back.
Welcome home.
Good boy. Shake hand. Very good. Give me some water.
Sorry I can't reach it. I'll dance to pleasure you instead.
Nice dance. Now, take a photo of my outfit.
As you wish. Cheers.
Beautiful. Let's go out for a walk.
Number 5.
What are you doing?
Hey!
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.